So this is our first activity on using something called an absolute cell reference. Now, the reason for an absolute cell reference is if you did a code, so we've got our 20% here, all right? Now, remember I said a formula, if I did equals and I clicked on that, I did a star and clicked on this and pressed enter, that's going to work out my discount. Now, watch what happens when I drag that all the way down. You'll notice that they don't get any discount, but the shop is offering a 20% discount. And that's because we've used an autofill, which is a dot where you drag your formula down and it does it all for you. Now, the problem with this is it's repeated the formula. So if you look here, C3 times C7. Now, this one's gone C4 times C8, so it's increased the value. So, to lock that in place, what you can do is go up here, so there's C7, you can put a $sign before the C and after the C, so basically before and after the letter, and that locks it in place so that you can repeat your code. So if I press enter there, now if I click on this, you can see it's got my formula, but what I can do is I can click that dot and drag it all the way down, and you can see the discount amount is now locked in place. So you can click on that dot, drag it all the way down, and it does that for you. Now this is where our basic maths is involved. So if I go here and type in equals, I'm going to click on that cell minus this, and that is now the discount. Now, watch what I can do here. I can click the dot and repeat that all the way down, and that will work this time. I've not had to lock it in place because it's going to be C3 minus D3, C4 minus D4, C5 minus C5, D5, sorry. So you only use the absolute cell reference, you only lock that in place when you are wanting to copy and repeat formula all the way down. This will be particularly useful if you are doing any costing in a business lesson. Maybe you're going to be doing your own finances and you've got some extra money coming in. So use that to lock cells so that you can repeat that formula. And that's the end of lesson 2.